Anthony, developer. Today we are going to learn about web development on day three of web development. So basically on day 3, let's open your Chrome browser. Today we are going to learn using the AI. So basically what we learn on day 1 and day 2 are basically enough for you to opt in to ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Those are 2 AIs we are going to use. So first open your DeepSeek AI, then press enter. This one, I'm going to open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, so you're going to tell ChatGPT to build a landing page showcasing our portfolio, to give us a prompt. Basically use the prompt and take it to DeepSeek AI. So basically what's the prompt you are going to write? You're going to tell it design a 3D homepage for our portfolio. Using HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, should look appealing. And attractive. For what's my name? Agile developer. Developer, just like that. I'm studying computer science, so studying computer science. Basically I'm still a comrade, you see my content, just support my content, and I know I'm going to grow day by day. The more you support my content, you like, you subscribe, and you share. Basically I'll be happy for that. I'll appreciate you subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and share. So let's see. Basically generated straight, so you just use it, but I wanted a prompt, but okay, it's okay. You see the differences between my prompt when I prompted in DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT, so we'll compare the differences. So basically this is correct. I'll remove this one, then save it. So basically this is for ChatGPT. So basically let's create another file. Let's call it DeepSeek, so that we can differentiate .html. We're going to differentiate between the 2. So basically let's go over to our browser back again, we copy everything. So I just prompted with this alone. Let's go to DeepSeek. Let's see how DeepSeek design. For DeepSeek you must tell it to design HTML and CSS. Press enter. Let's see what DeepSeek will design for us. Basically let's now go over to our browser. Let's check for this. When you press live, then we see it's designed the differences, which designs more better between DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. So basically my browser is opening, give some time. There is it. So basically wow. This is basically very nice. Very nice. Hello, I'm Anthony, developer. I'm passionate in computer science, specializing in web development, information system, AI, CHATGPT, cybersecurity, software engineering. Build modern, scalable, intelligent digital solutions. So okay, this is nice. This is the Google button. I don't know about this button. Basically, I don't see that this design is basically very awesome. Okay, now let's read the code. We are going to understand the code let's read it from here. So basically, hello until T-spawn is used to change the color for this. For example, hello I think it's a different color. Check. You see, it's white color, and this one is, I don't know, the color, is it green or what color? So I'm passionate with this. Very nice. Okay, this is the image source. Now if I get my image source, let me try. I don't have any in my computer, so this is basically nice. So you can see here, these are the social links. Basically these are always in the footer section, but this does not have the JavaScript. Okay, it's okay, and basically it's nice. So we head over to our browser back again. Let's check. DeepSeek is still designing what. So basically, let's see. Basically, you can see still writing some code. So basically, I don't know. It's the design for ChatGPT is simple and illustrative. So basically, let's go back to our browser. Let's still check it. Now this is the contact me button, few projects. In the meantime, let's see. These are some icons. Let's see how its CSS was structured in VS Code. These are class called socials. So basically this, let's say that's Google. Let's change this to Facebook. Let's change that to Facebook, Twitter, something like that. Or let's say LinkedIn. LinkedIn is much better. LinkedIn. So let's see, social links. This should be somewhere here. Social links.org. This is socials. Yeah, it's CSS for the social links started here. So basically, if you wanna just change some few things, if you want to change. So, but for me, I want here socials.org. I want to change. When you hover the color for the text, let's change the color for the text to be this. Let's change the color to be red. Something. Okay, then background color. You're gonna change it to be, let's say what color now. Let's choose a color. I need to choose a color that's very clear. Let's say yellow. This color basically it's not yellow, some deep green or what. Yeah. Let's still move this classifier. Let's move yellow. Yeah. Then if some changes, then let's check. Basically, hope you're learning something. Now this looks much better. So basically, that's how you do some changing in your websites if you want to. But basically, for me, it's just change this pattern to over this way. So let's go back to, let's check how DeepSeek generated its code. So basically, let's copy for DeepSeek, paste it in your, if you are using VS Code, you can use any of your favorites, like Atom is one of them. So basically, you can see both of them develop. This more professional a little bit. This more professional. So let's remove this and check about this. You can actually see which is the best. Wow, I like this. Even this one, I think I'm going to use this one. Hello. And only developer starting HTML and CSS, building the future interactive over time. I love the visuals, clean and impressive experience. This is very nice. Look at the background, the design. Anton Dev. Wow. But Dev, I like this one. Work. Oh yeah. See, look at the hover. Let's check some hovers. When you hover the navigation bar, you see that color. Basically, I don't know the color, but I just like. You can see here CSS, leave it to rotate. Yes, I'm starting the beta science. I'm a developer. What an some. This is also, this is for GitHub. Check. This is LinkedIn, Discord. Basically, I don't know about this one, but let's go check our code. Basically, I like it. So basically, what are we going to check here? This is a floating lookalis. Styles equals to top line. Floating shape. Now, basically, I've not learned more about designing shapes. Look at this border color now. Simple navigation bar. Nav bar is equals to no. Okay. This site was designed homework stack contact. Very nice. Anthony developers spam equals to class Anthony. We break the developers in the computer science and studying. This is basically nice. 3D rotating now. Class equals to cube container. I'm going to check the CSS for the cube container. This is what I want. The 3D cube container. Let me start here. So basically the cube container class or the cube container is it. Animations, play state, post. So maybe this is when I hover here. It poses now, but basically that's not what I want. Let me see. Those are the social icons. Cube container. Let's see, flex, display, just scene, the cube itself, width, height, position related, transform style, sub 3D. Basically, I think this the difference is this sub 3D. Animation, spin cube, 20 seconds, infinite linear, transition. So basically, let's do some research about this. I'm going to do some research about this. I think I like this. I like DeepSeek is one of the best. Basically, DeepSeek already released another AI which is called Kimi 2.5, Kimi 2.2, Kimi 2.5. Basically, that one is specialized for web development. So let's search Kimi 2.5. This. Basically, the AI is it's this one, but let's look. Basically, this AI you can input a video of your website and it will show everything. So basically, this is the AI I'm talking about. This is one of the best AIs. Now internet just broke all the AIs available in town. Basically, it gives you 3 prompts per day. Which one you prompt? Basically, let me check some of these. Can you check some of my websites are built? The first one is this one. It's one of the AIs I built it. So you guys check out this. This is one of my AI. I built it. That's basically me. Okay, that's basically me. Let's browse down here. Try it's free. Basically, you can check. I'm using GPT, Gemma, DeepSeek. Just see this a little bit low. Its server is a little bit low, but it's no problem. You guys check about this. Send me some information. Just need to know. So basically, so guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to my videos. Thanks for watching my video. This was the fake coding, but sees what DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. See, this is DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. That's very nice. So make sure I'm internet developer. Make sure you share this, subscribe. I'm going to post this code and I'll share to you on my bio. You can get it in my YouTube or on my YouTube or TikTok channel. I'll paste this, so make sure you check out this. You can download